Welcome to this tutorial. Today we will focus on making your Zangi app easier to read by changing the text size. Adjusting text size can improve visibility, enhance comfort, and make your chatting experience smoother. First, open the Zangi app on your phone. Once the app is launched, look to the top right corner and tap on the three-dot menu. Next, a drop-down menu will appear. From here, select the option labeled Settings to enter the main settings menu of the app. Then, scroll through the list of available options until you find the one called Text Size. Tap on it to open the text size adjustment page. Finally, choose the text size that suits your preference. As soon as you select it, the text size will update instantly across your Zangi app, giving you a more comfortable reading experience. Remember to subscribe to the channel, like the video, and share it with friends. Thanks for watching, and see you in the next tutorial.